Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this app can't run your PC in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you have to check your system information that your system is 32-bit, either 64-bit. So how to check? Go this search bar and write here system information. Then you'll find this option system information. Click on open, and then you will find system type. This system type, and you can see the system type is S64-bit. That's mean I have to download S64-bit softwares. They need to support. Okay, now let's do this now. Now just open a browser and write here download VCREDIST. Then you'll find here the Microsoft Learn, this option, download VCREDIST. Click on the first link, scroll down, then you'll find here these three option. If you are using 64-bit, then you have to download this one. If you are using 32-bit, then you have to download this one. I'm using 64-bit, that's why I'm downloading this one. Click on this link and it will be downloading here. Okay, now click on file location. Now if you double click on this, right click on this and go to properties. Now choose compatibility. Now make this run compatibility troubleshooters. Run compatibility troubleshooters. Click on this and let it troubleshoot. If there is any problem, it will show you. Okay, troubleshoot has completed. No changes or updates were necessary. Now I have to just click on this run compatible for Windows 8, Windows 10, anything. Now I have to click on also check on this run this program as administrator. Now click on apply, then click on OK. Now you have to go to settings. Go to settings from your computer and write here developer settings, the third option. Click on developer settings, then make sure your developer mode is turned on. Okay, turn on developer mode. Now you have to go here this search bar again and write change user account control settings, this one. Now make sure it is the lowest. Click on OK. Now you can try and double click opening this one. I'm very much sure this time it will open. But if it's still the issue, if it's not opening, then you have to go to the last step. The last step is you have to go to Windows Security. This one, Windows Security. Click on this. Now choose this one, app and browser control. Now you can see here reputation based protection. You have to click on this reputation based protection. Now you have to uncheck this one, check apps and files, which is turned should be off. Now you can try to install your desired application. I'm very much sure this time it will work. Okay, if it's not work, you have to restart your computer, then it will work. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.